we are on our way to our bushwalk. Super excited.
Very excited.
Yeah, have a look.
And fugitives, hooded eyes and weary brows, seek refuge in the night. They are the scatterlings of Africa, each uprooted one. Oh mama, yeah. They're on the road to Bella Manga, beneath the copper sun. Yup-oh-ha, yup-ha-oh-ha, yup-oh-ha.
Obviously this one for the buffalo, and then for the ellis here, and you can even see that whether they were going to this direction or this direction, and this tiny little one, this could be this morning or last night, and this is that of a black back jackal. You can hear them. Yeah, just feel it.
Remember, it's not a carnivore. It's cold.
Yeah, this is last night.
Bones from old to five, echoes of the very first cry. Who may be here and why? Beneath the copper sun.
So this dropping here is that of a civet.
Our dog is two loops. Sure. And the ones of hyena, you can see the claw marks, the nails, but this one cannot. In case they retract the nails. Sure.
And we are scatterlings of Africa on a journey to the stars. Oh, mama, yeah. Papi, know we live forever. Dreams of what we want.
Baboon spider.
Stay away from me.
And the one that also find there is the female. Only the female. Them, yes. The males ones, they stay under the rocks. And the females, they're bigger than the males.
And we are scatterlings of Africa on a journey to the stars. Oh, mama, yeah. Papi, know we live forever. Dreams of what we want.
That was epic. Herd, leopard, Saw buffalo, impala,
Hippo.
right down into the riverbed. Oh, fantastic. Highly recommend. Awesome, guys, we're back. It was
just
top notch,
amazing.
incredible. Really had a good time. The guys, they're so informative.
Yeah.
They let you know everything. They stop you, let you listen to the sounds, tell you things that you would never know. So it was really. What was your favorite part?
I actually really enjoyed like where they show you the tracks and what
That's
happened.
it. They put us in a spot. There was some animal dung, and it was a civet dung also, which was pretty cool.
Yeah.
But then they drew a circle around us and they asked us to count how many tracks, and we counted almost like 9.
Yeah, there were a lot of tracks.
I mean,
just in
there
that
was
one
lion
circle.
in there, or we didn't even know there was lion in there.
Elephant. In fact, I was standing in an elephant footprint.
And giraffe.
And giraffe, and I had
Giraffe
no
the size
idea.
of Meghan's foot went in the giraffe track.
Yeah.
It was
It was
awesome.
insane. Yeah.
And I mean, otherwise it's nice that they stop on the river, and you just sit there, enjoy your breakfast, watch the hippos, watch the birds, and it's really taking it easy. It's not hastily done.
Yeah, you really take
Recommend
in
it.
everything.
It's incredible. Do it.
Definitely do it.
And on a side note,
This is my favorite flower.
This is
now.
Megan's favorite. Well, bush. Well,
The
what's it? A
I
tree?
think it's a tree, a bush. I don't know.
Well, it's an impala lily,
It's so pretty.
and they are all around here.
So you say goodbye to Shingwedzi.
Heading south.
Heading south again to.
We're doing the Shingwedzi loop, and then we're going to do the Shongololo loop. Check in at Mpani and straight to Tsendze to pitch up camp. We've got an awesome campsite. Apparently camp number 13 is the one. We're going to check it out. Very secluded, apparently. Oh, we're looking forward to it. Rustic camp. No electricity, no noise. Goodbye,
screaming
babies crying. Goodbye, burning electricity in the background.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's going to be epic.
Wild thing, I think I love you, but I wanna know for sure. So come on and hold me tight. I love you.
Guys, going to go and check in at Mpani. We've arrived. We're gonna go to Tsendze, and then we are gonna have a little bit of a brunch. And then, well, I think we're gonna set up camp first, then have our brunch, and then have a nap, because waking up at 4:30 in the morning really does one in. I'm very tired, Kai is very tired. A nap is in order. But it's very, very beautiful at Mpani. It's stunning, and I can only expect the same for Tsendze, because it's very, very close to here.
Okay, we've arrived at peaceful Tsendze. Just set up camp, and it is really lush with vegetation, super peaceful, super quiet, which we love. We're taking a walk just to the fence away from the campsite, just for a bit, just to check out if we see any birds, and then we obviously taking that siesta, already eaten, which is good. With our bellies full, I think we can have a little afternoon kip quite nicely. But yeah, let's see what's by the fence. Meghan always battles with the sun. She either has full sun or half sun. Like now, it's half sun. Full sun. Same. Anyway. We just had our nap. Feel so much better. Feel like we're starting the day again. We're gonna go and tackle the Shingwedzi loop. Because we gave it a little bit of a skip because we thought a nap was needed after that walk through the bush. Camera battery was lost because no charging facilities tonight.
Kind of forgot to hand it into reception.
Yeah, well, we took our snooze. Anyway. So in our last vlog we spoke about respecting elephants, how they've got right of way. This is one of those scenarios. Right now, these cars are lined up, and those elephants over there own the bridge.
Why weren't we recording?
Calm the nerves. So, eventually, they moved out the way. Some of them. Then there was this bull that just went a little bit off the road and up, but he was on a ledge. So this car in front of us took very slow. Very, very slow, because he thought, no, it's fine, it's clear now, he can take his time.
Like, how about no? You can't take your time.
So Meghan goes and follows this guy, but she's like, come on, go, 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 go. And this elephant swings around and starts stomping down this hill towards me.
Not only stomping, trumpeting and stomping right by my ear. This idiot. Oh.
He doesn't do anything, man. Eventually he went. He realized that the car behind him was in jeopardy. So there's these bird hides here, and they aren't demarcated on the map, which is actually, you know, it does suck a little bit, because we would have liked to do them instead of just driving around. So we're gonna tomorrow morning just come out first thing, do the bird hides, then go back and pack, because the game is it's not good. And I mean, with views like this around your bird hides, it's like, oh man, it's impeccable. Fantastic.
So Kai really got me with that surprise bushwalk. It was amazing. One of the best experiences in my entire life, and we thoroughly enjoyed the rest of the day as well. Now, to end the evening off with a cozy fire and some pretty music from none other than my love. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Check you in the next one.